यो वाक्य हेरौं त म ट्राफिक जाममा फसेँ I got stuck in a traffic jam I got stuck in a traffic jam त्यसैले त म ढिलो भएँ भन्न That's why I got late That's why I got late यो दुईटा वाक्यले भन्न खोजेको हो म ढिलो भए किनभने ट्राफिक जाम थियो That's why I got late तिमी समयमै नआउँदा मलाई चिन्ता लाग्न थाल्यो I started to get worried when you didn't arrive on time म एकचोटि फेरि बिस्तारै भन्छु I started to get worried when you didn't arrive on time Arrive भनेको आइपुग्नु I started to get worried when you didn't arrive on time. अध्यारो हुँदैछ. It is getting dark. It is getting dark. त्यसैले हामी अब निस्कनै पर्छ. We must leave now. We must leave now. अब अलिकति पनि ढिलो नगरौं. Let's not delay any longer. Let's not delay any longer. D-E-L-A-Y, delay, ढिलो गर्नु. D-ले नभन्नुहोला, delay. Delay, delay. Let's not delay any longer. तपाई हेर्दै हुनुहुन्छ हाम्रो इंग्लिश गुरु युट्युब च्यानल तपाईहरुको अंग्रेजी सिक्ने ठाउँ. आजको भिडियोमा यसरी नै सधैं चाहिने नजानी नहुने अंग्रेजीका वाक्यहरुको हामी अभ्यास गर्ने छौं. जाऊं अथवा लागौं. Let's get going. Let's get going. मलाई रुगा लागेको छ. I have got a cold. I have got a cold. Get a cold भनेको चिसो अथवा रुगा लाग्नु. I have got a cold. मलाई ज्वरो चाहिँ आएको छैन. I haven't got a fever. I haven't got a fever. Fever, ज्वरो. I haven't got a fever. मलाई असाध्यै ढाड दुखेको छ. यस्तो भन्न I have a terrible backache. I have a terrible backache. यदि तपाईको ढाड दुखाइ बढ्यो भने तपाईले डाक्टरलाई देखाउनु पर्छ. If your backache gets worse, you should see a doctor. If your backache gets worse, you should see a doctor. See a doctor भनेको डाक्टरलाई हेर्नु पनि हो खास अर्थ. तर यसरी भन्दा चाहिँ यसको अर्थ डाक्टरलाई देखाउनु भन्ने लाग्छ. If your backache gets worse, you should see a doctor. हामी 2 महिनामा विवाह गर्दै छौं. We are getting married in 2 months. We are getting married in 2 months. अब यो वाक्य मेरो भाइ साँच्चै क्रोधित हुन्छ जब मैले उसलाई नसोधी उसको लुगा लगाउँछु. My brother gets really angry when I use his clothes without asking him. My brother gets really angry when I use his clothes without asking him. यसमा तपाईले sister को राखेर पनि वाक्य बनाउन सक्नुहुन्छ. यहाँ चाहिँ brother भनियो. म थाकेको थिएँ त्यसैले म निदाएँ. I was tired so I fell asleep. I was tired so I fell asleep. म थाकेको छु त्यसैले म चाँडै सुत्न जान्छु. I am tired so I'll go to bed early. I am tired so I'll go to bed early. Go to bed भनेको सुत्न जानु हो. I am tired so I'll go to bed early. रात पर्यो त्यसैले म डराएँ. It got dark, that's why I was scared. It got dark, that's why I was scared. ऊ ढिला आयो त्यसैले मलाई रिस उठ्यो. He came late, that's why I got angry. He came late, that's why I got angry. उनी उत्साहित हुन्छिन्. She gets excited. She gets excited. जब हामी उनलाई छुट्टीको बारेमा बताउँछौं. When we tell her about holidays. When we tell her about holidays. Holiday, holiday, बिदा. When we tell her about holidays. अब अघिनको दुईटा वाक्यलाई कम्बाइन गरेर भन्दा हामीले उनलाई छुट्टीको बारेमा बताउँदा उनी उत्साहित हुन्छिन्. She gets excited when we tell her about holidays. She gets excited when we tell her about holidays. यो च्यानल हाम्रो इंग्लिश गुरुलाई सब्स्क्राइब गरिसक्नु भएको छैन भने सब्स्क्राइब गर्न अवश्य नछुटाउनु होला. सब्स्क्राइब मात्र होइन, सब्स्क्राइबको छेउमा भएको घण्टीलाई पनि बजाउन नभुल्नु होला. यस्तै भिडियोहरू कहिल्यै नछुटाउनको लागि यो च्यानल मात्र होइन, हाम्रो अनलाइन क्लास युट्युब च्यानलको पनि. हामीले उनलाई जिस्क्याउँदा उनी रिसाउँछिन्. She gets angry when we tease her. She gets angry when we tease her. Tease, जिस्काउनु. She gets angry when we tease her. बाहिर भारी वर्षा भइरहेको छ. It is heavily raining outside. It is heavily raining outside. छाता लैजानुहोस् नत्र भिज्नु हुनेछ. Take an umbrella or you will get wet. Take an umbrella or you will get wet. उनी 2 मिनेट अघि हामी सँगै थिइन् She was with us 2 minutes ago She was with us 2 minutes ago उनी कसरी हराइन् भन्ने हामीसँग कुनै सुराग छैन We have no clue how she got lost We have no clue how she got lost. हामी जसरी भए पनि उनलाई खोज्नेछौं We will search for her anyhow. We will search for her anyhow. अहिले उनी राम्रो हुँदैछिन् अथवा उनको अवस्था राम्रो हुँदैछ Now she is getting better. Now she is getting better. अहिले उनी अंग्रेजी राम्रोसँग बोल्न थालेकी छिन् Now she is getting better at speaking English. Now she is getting better at speaking English. Kasari by watching Hamro English Guru YouTube channel. Also, be sure to like and share this video. म मेरा दाजु भाइ दिदी बहिनीसँग साच्चै धेरै मिल्छु I get along really well with my siblings. I get along really well with my siblings. Get along भनेको मिल्नु siblings भनेको चाहिँ दाजुभाइ दिदी बहिनी I get along really well with my siblings. बिरालो कसरी घरभित्र पस्यो How did the cat get into the house? How did the cat get into the house? घरमा मुसा चाहिँ कसरी पस्यो How did the rat get into the house? How did the rat get into the house? यसलाई भगाउने उपाय तपाईलाई थाहा छ Do you know how to get rid of it? Do you know how to get rid of it? यसले हामीलाई धेरै दुःख दिइरहेको छ This is causing us a lot of pain. This is causing us a lot of pain. तुरुन्तै यहाँबाट बाहिर जानुहोस् Get out of here right away. Get out of here right away. तिमी मेरो समय बर्बाद गर्दैछौ You are wasting my time. You are wasting my time. मैले टिकट कहाँ पाउन सक्छु Where can I get the ticket? Where can I get the ticket? तपाईले तो काउन्टरमा टिकट पाउन सक्नुहुनेछ You will get the ticket at that counter. You will get the ticket at that counter. यहाँबाट सिधै जानुहोस् र तपाई त्यहाँ पुग्नुहुनेछ Go straight from here and you will get there. Go straight from here and you will get there. मलाई बताउनु भएकोमा धन्यवाद. Thanks for telling me. Thanks for telling me. यो मेरो सौभाग्य हो. It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure. तपाईलाई सहयोग गर्न पाएकोमा म खुसी छु भन्न खोजेको हो. आजको भिडियोलाई यति नै. राम्ररी बस्नुहोला. Take care. Have an amazing day.